Welcome back to our channel and to Lesson 3 of Soul Retrieval Practitioner Course. Please subscribe to our channel if you have not yet done it, and also give the video a thumbs up if you like it. Today, let's talk about psychology and traumatology. Trauma is a psychological and emotional response to an event or series of events that are deeply distressing or disturbing. Traumas can be categorized as acute trauma, results from a single distressing event, such as an accident, assault, or natural disaster. Chronic trauma, stemming from prolonged exposure to harmful situations, such as abuse, domestic violence, or war. Complex trauma involves exposure to multiple traumatic events, often invasive and interpersonal in nature, such as repeated childhood abuse. Secondary trauma, experienced by those who witness or hear about traumatic events affecting others, such as first responders or therapists. Understanding trauma's varied forms helps in tailoring therapeutic approaches to individual needs. Trauma affects mental health in profound ways, leading to conditions such as post-traumatic stress disorder, PTSD, anxiety, depression, and emotional dysregulation. Key psychological impacts include intrusive memories and flashbacks, hypervigilance and heightened startle responses, difficulty concentrating or making decisions, distorted self-perception, such as feelings of guilt or worthlessness. Trauma can also impair interpersonal relationships and lead to isolation. Recognizing these impacts is essential for effective trauma-informed care. Defense and dissociation mechanisms. Defense mechanisms are subconscious strategies the mind employs to protect against overwhelming emotions. Common mechanisms include denial, refusing to accept reality to avoid distress. Repression, pushing painful memories out of conscious awareness. Projection, attributing one's own feelings to others. Dissociation is a more profound response characterized by a detachment from reality. Symptoms may include feeling disconnected from one's body or surroundings, loss of memory related to the traumatic event, experiencing the world as unreal or dreamlike. These mechanisms can offer temporary relief but may hinder long-term healing if not addressed. Fragmentation of the soul and loss of vital essence. From a transpersonal perspective, trauma can fragment the soul, resulting in the loss of vital essence. This concept parallels psychological dissociation and refers to a disconnection from one's inner self and life force. Soul fragmentation manifests as a sense of emptiness or disconnection, lack of purpose or direction, emotional numbness. Shamans and spiritual healers view soul retrieval as a way to reintegrate these lost aspects, promoting holistic healing and restoration. We end Lesson 3 here. Lesson 4 will be uploaded in the next few days. Please do not forget to comment, ask your questions, give us your feedbacks. Remember, each comment you make will be considered for the January giveaway. Share this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to get notifications of our latest uploads. Thank you for watching.